Hi guys, welcome back to day 3 of 21 days to good skin with me. Today my mood was a little off. I was feeling a little dull, so I thought I should do something to brighten myself up. Today we're going to do a brightening face mask. Brightening is nothing but to give the lost radiance on your skin and to bring back the vibrancy of the skin. It's just that. So today's ingredient is cucumber. I love eating cucumber. It is very good for your gut as well as for your skin. So let's get started. So this is how my face looks after I wash it off. It was really soothing. And also a tip, make sure that your cucumber is very cold. It's refrigerated. It will give you more relaxing and soothing effect. And also make sure that your face is very clean before putting anything on your face. So yeah, this is how it looks. And yeah, I'm very happy with the results. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.